Oh my god.
Hi, Lily and Luke here. Thanks for joining us today.
We're here at Back of Beyond campsite. It's a beautiful campsite in Dorset and we'll show you around to see what you think.
What we've just stumbled across here are the glamping pods that look incredible. The fact they've got the outdoor seating area and they all seem to come with their own little fire pits and everything like that. What a way to have just a few nights away and not have to set anything up. I think we might have to come back and give these a go at some point. We'll just give you a quick show round a few of the large standing pitches and normal pitches before giving you a tour of our current setup and the views we have out the back of the van.
So this is our little setup here. It's very nice, and we're gonna come through into our awning where we like to chill out in the evenings. We've added some little lights up here. Good for all weathers. And we'll come out the back. Luke's preparing some lovely fish and salad. And we have a beautiful view of the forest, which is lovely. Now if I come back through here, this is just a little bit inside where we can put our shoes, and we've got a little step up into the van. Try not to hit your head like I did the first time. So if we come in here, this is our little cozy bed. It's only small, but this is all we need. And our fridge. Oh, got a nice lemon tart to have later. So it's so nice here. I'm really pleased with the facilities.
The whole place has been immaculate.
Yeah.
The water is scalding hot. There's been a few times I've burnt myself trying to do the washing up as well. The shower's powerful, hot.
Yeah, everything you need in there as well. Hair dryers.
Yeah, you couldn't ask for much more. It's perfect. Yeah. You need to try the fresh pastries from the shop. She's been talking about this for weeks.
It's so, like, crispy. I also picked up some honey from the shop, from the honey bees at Back of Beyond. So I'm excited to try this. Luke doesn't like honey, so this is all mine. Look at that.
We're here at Monty's Bar enjoying a lovely espresso martini.
We've both got pretty bad hangovers today. We
Don't know if you can tell.
we got a bit carried away at Monty's Bar last night. We are wandering down to go and have a look at the lakes. We've just found a nice little picnic area around the back of the lakes, very tucked away and secluded. I'll tell you one thing about this place is the amount of wildlife and stuff is mental. We've had a great time here so far. We turned up Saturday, we set up camp, then Sunday we went over to my family's to go and see them that live down over in Dorchester. Then yesterday we went out and explored Dorset, area of outstanding natural beauty.
And our legs are hurting.
Yeah,
today.
there's a lot of achy bodies.
Play some bowls.
At the back of Monty's Bar and the shop and everything is the pitch and putt course, which I think is a really nice touch to have on a campsite. I mean, there's not many places you go to that would have that kind of facility unless you go specifically for a golf course of sorts. In the shop on site, they sell their own homemade honey, and we have just stumbled across their beehives out round the back near the pitch and putt.
I love this part. So many trees. This site is extremely dog friendly. Just loads of dog facilities. We've seen so many dogs that we love as well.
They're all so cute.
They're so cute.
Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed the video as much as we enjoyed Back of Beyond.
See you in the next one.